Okay, we are going to be making a homemade vinaigrette today. We're going to start off by adding in 2 teaspoons of honey and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. I like to use honey as a sweetener because it just gives a different layer of flavor, and Dijon is definitely the best mustard for this. After that, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of vinegar, whatever kind you'd like, and 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme. I like to always have some sort of a fresh herb, so if you'd rather use like fresh parsley at the end, that's totally good too. Then we're going to start drizzling in super slowly 6 tablespoons of olive oil. We're drizzling it slowly because as I'm whisking continuously, I'm actually able to create an emulsion, which means that we are getting oil and vinegar to mix together. That way it won't separate right away on your salad, or if you're doubling up, it won't separate in your jar. Speaking of doubling up, I generally do make a bigger batch because this is perfect to put into like a mason jar and store it in your fridge. And anytime you're making yourself a salad at home, you can just pull it out about 20 minutes before you're ready to dress it. That way the olive oil can kind of get to room temperature and it's ready to use. Once it's all whisked together, we're going to season it. We're going to add in about a half a teaspoon of both salt and pepper, 1 clove of minced garlic, and about 2 tablespoons of minced shallot. This will taste much better after it has sat for a little while. Even if you can make it a day ahead, that's perfect. But generally, I let it sit for a little bit at least, and then I kind of prepare whatever dish I'm making from there. At this point, you can toss it into a jar or toss it right onto your salad. Enjoy!